What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another reaction. Yeah, man, people, let's see what we are dealing with today. Yo, today we actually have. Yeah, somebody wants to say the princess or the new queen of dancehall. We don't go that far, but we're there with the Shenseea boss herself. You don't know who we are talking about. We're not talking about none other than Shenseea. Yeah, man, she just dropped a new live performance for her song Waistline. I will check it out and see that what Shenseea dealing with today, because I didn't check out the visualizer for this song, but she did drop the Waistline live performance. We're gonna check it out, see how well she do and everything, because you know she looking good on the cover, you know what I'm saying, and everything. And you don't know Shenseea do her thing, you know what I'm saying. She's definitely one of the biggest female artists right now in dancehall, in my opinion, besides Spice, of course. You see me? Definitely the biggest right now. So when it comes on the female side, she is the girl, you know what I'm saying? It's like how most people say Mascara is that guy. On the female side, Shenseea is that girl. You see me? So we'll check it out and see what she'll deal with today. Shenseea Waistline live performance. Yo, we see what she'll deal with, man. If she ready to kill it, I'll go on. You see me? We're not gonna waste much time. Waste much time longer. This Shenseea Waistline. Let's get it, guys.
Drop your waistline when you hear that baseline. Drop your waistline when you hear that.
You know, looking good as always. Hey.
Baseline. Drop your waistline when you hear that.
I want to say about Shen, you know that. No business, you know. Not my concern. Let's say she bad from Ludi days. Hear me?
Drop your waistline when you hear that baseline. Drop your waistline when you hear that baseline. Baseline. Drop your waistline when you hear that bass. Yeah. You do that thing that I like. Next time we do it, I'ma need more time.
You do the thing that me.
Next time we do it, dig it like gold mine. Make me lose my mind.
You like gold mine, say less.
Drop it off for me. Cock it up, grip it while I twist my spine. Drop it.
See, bro. Your girl look on, she ain't gotta have too much, bro. You ain't gotta have too much hair. She ain't gotta have too much. You see me? It's just gotta be just right.
For me. I must be UPS the way you drop off this sex for me. Click like boom when you
your body clean and look. Hey.
Kill it, that's a
look good, bro. Come on.
Casualty. Take it there, send me over, baby. Talk to me reckless.
Easy now, she sing too, you know. Her singing definitely improved. You see me? I say.
Grip from your hands like a necklace. Got a hold on tray, one little taste. It's too good for you to think straight. Oh.
The wife for that, me not to rate the line the Shen. Me not lie to you, but go on, song bad though.
Drop your waistline when you hear that baseline. Drop your waistline when you hear that baseline.
Easy, that shit say that you need them, man. Easy, that man. I'm going to have to sit them straight for this one.
Drop your waistline when you hear that baseline. Drop your waistline when you hear that bass. Drop your waistline when
yeah. Demon girl, yeah, I know, hey, girl, yeah, hey.
You hear that baseline. Drop your waistline when you hear that baseline. Drop your waistline when you hear that baseline. Here to take time, I'm not here to waste. You can lick, you can.
Oh my God, come on.
Touch, beg you come swing it up. Need you to slide on me. Tell me it's mine only when I take time.
Hey yo, it's yours, baby. Come on.
Let me bounce none. When it's this tight, boy, you might get. I need a long ride. I
got you. I got you, girl. Say less, bro. I got you. Trust me.
When it's this tight, boy.
Hit me up, bro. Let's hit me up, Shen.
You might get. I need a long ride. I need every stroke precise, cause baby.
Laser precision. Trust me. Trust.
It's the sex for me. Click like boom when you kill it. That's a casualty. I take it there, send me over, baby. Talk to me, right?
What are you talking about? Yo, who said she not making no good music, bro? This song bad. What are you talking about?
Grip from your hands like a necklace. Got a hold on tray, one little taste.
Hey.
It's too good for you to think straight. Oh. Drop your waistline when you hear that baseline.
Yeah. Just like, hey.
Drop your waistline when you hear that baseline. Drop your waistline when you hear that baseline. waistline.
Yeah.
Drop your waistline.
Oh, no, girl. Hey, stop playing with her, bro. Stop playing with her, bro.
When you hit that bass, drop your waistline. When you hit that baseline, drop your waistline. When you hit that baseline, drop it.
Shenseea, when I see this, Shen. You know what you're doing, you know what you're doing.
Your waistline when you hit that baseline. Hit a tail time, I'm not hit a waistline line. No, we.
Good now, oh my, yo, yellow. She's singing good, bro. Y'all can't lie. She's singing pretty well. I ain't saying she a Whitney Houston or Mariah Carey or Beyonce. I ain't saying that, but she's singing well. Come on, she came a long way. You know, Shenseea could not sing. She was a DJ. I know she can do both at a very high level quality. Shen. It ain't a week, I'm telling you, hey! We're going to sit over and park up one side. Easy. None of them not talented like you, man. None of them not look good like you, man. None of them can rap, sing, and DJ like you, man. Not about them. You see, they could do where you can't do, they would do it. But the sicker they can't do it, they not do it. Come on, talk to me. Bro, Shen is that girl, bro. I don't care that. I don't care. I want to hear no Shenseea slander on my channel, bro. No Shenseea slander will be tolerated. You feel me? Yeah, man. Shenseea do her thing, bro. At a very high level, bro. I don't give a damn what y'all say. She came far with the singing shit. You know what I'm saying? When she just started and she tried to sing, you can be like, all right. You know, you wasn't like, you can't sing, but you're like, yo, you could definitely improve. She's improved so much. It's like, yeah. You can't even say she can't sing. You can't say, yo, she not sing like Whitney Houston and Mariah Carey or one of them. But you can't say she can't sing. You feel me? You can't say she can't sing at this point, but she can't sing. She can't sing, she can't DJ, she can't rap. Bro, you see me? I say she can't do it all. You see me? And enough of them people that talk about, yo, they just not comfortable stepping out of that box or step into that box. You know what I'm saying? Or you want to look on it. You see me? So, but yo, she doing her thing, bro. She doing her thing. I ain't gonna lie, she hasn't dropped one of them anthem there, you know, like back in the early 2000 and I don't know, like what 15, 16 them time there. You know, when she have the anthem them with even the school girl them and thing I sing word for word and yeah, been a minute she had one of those. I ain't gonna lie to you, but she still a drop bars. You see me? She still a drop bars, man, and I think she got far to go, bro. She still got. How many albums she released? Only one so far, which is Alpha, right? Which I still haven't reacted. I'm gonna do that for y'all. She only dropped one album so far. So technically she's still a freshman in the game. She's probably a sophomore right now. So she got far to go. Isn't it? Yeah, man, she got far to go, man, and she do good, man. Keep it up, Shenseea, bro. We're over here rooting for you, man. You see me? Don't listen to all of the naysayers. You're doing great. You see me? Just keep growing. If you just keep growing. You see me? Eventually you're going to grow to the point where they can't even deny or say nothing. You see me? I say, yeah, man, keep doing your thing. Yeah. Masca just dropped his sophomore album. I guess now we're waiting on Shenseea now. So when the Shenseea going to drop. You see me? You know, the ladies, I don't know if you're looking for a Shenseea album, but yeah, she you know, they say Masca is looking to be the new king. Alright. King Talk is in the air. You see me? Yeah, man, and a lot of people realize that, yo, King Talk don't mean say Cartel isn't the king or Beanie wasn't the king, but people that say, yo, he's dancehall royalty at this point. So and I would consider on the female side, Shenseea will be dancehall royalty. Just like Spice. Me have to say that, you know, because no founder will come at my neck right now, no. Just like Spice, okay? Shenseea is dancehall royalty, but yeah, man, our sophomore album, I don't know if she's going to be dropping one soon. No talks or announcement as yet for that, but yeah, man, and the next installment now, man, will be her sophomore album. And then we look, you know, I'm pretty sure a lot of people looking forward to that. And I think she has the most first week album sales, men or female, currently in this new generation. So, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I think her first week sales for Alpha was like 4,000 units. I'm going off my head, guys. I'm not being exact. It's like 4,000 units. And I think the second leading most, and I think for the guy, the most sold first week is Alkaline Top Prize. I think that did like 2,900. You know what I'm saying? So Shenseea has the most, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so she do numbers when she drops. So yeah, man, we know you're gonna talk of no album from her yet. Maybe next year we're gonna get our sophomore album. We don't know, who knows. But we're looking out for that. Shen, big up yourself, keep doing your thing, man. You don't know. Yeah, man, dancehall love you, your fans them love you. You're doing your thing the best you can, and that's all I can do. You see me, keep doing your thing, bro. But Shenseea started out. Don't put your respect on Shenseea there, man. That's what I say. But yeah, man. Guys, let me know your thoughts about this song, this live performance, all that good stuff. Let me know your thoughts on Shenseea. Looking forward to the album, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Let's chop it up. But yeah, man, time to put some respect on Shenseea name. She is that girl in dancehall, bro. She is that girl. Right now, what other female in a dancehall right now you can say is that girl? Other than Spice, you know, and Spice, come on now. Me now go to for a big up to Spice. Me now go say, hey boy, you see me? Other than Spice, Shenseea is that girl in dancehall, man. So respect on Shenseea. And Shenseea do her thing that she do numbers consistently. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let me know your thoughts on that gang. Let me know your thoughts on the live performance. All that good stuff. Let's chop it up. You don't know, boy, Jambisco. Till next time. Take care of yourself. And each other. Love you guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector.